Hello everyone, today we are going to make chicken bun. You can check the ingredients needed from the list below. For the chicken filling, heat 2 tablespoons of butter and start to fry the onions until they turn a little soft. You can then add the chopped chilies and fry it for a while. Then you could add the pepper powder, salt, garam masala, and along with that you could add the flour. You can simply mix all the dry ingredients together and gradually add the cup of milk. You have to keep stirring the mixture continuously until it turns into a thick paste. As you can see, the mixture had thickened and come together well. Finally, you have to add the shredded chicken and the coriander leaves. Mix it completely so the chicken binds well with the rest of the mixture. You can now prepare a medium soft dough by adding little warm water and mixing all the ingredients together. Leave it to rise for about an hour. Now you can divide the dough into equal portions depending on the size of loaves that you want. Now you can roll out the dough into rectangular shapes. You can scoop out about a spoon of filling and keep it right in the center in an elongated shape. You can now snip both sides with a knife. Fold each side so that they overlap each other, just like a braid. The filling can be visible slightly, and that is okay. You can finish the end by giving it a fishtail look or tuck all the inside. Now you can preheat your oven. We are going to bake it on 200 degrees for around 20 minutes. Prior to baking, you can brush the top with some beaten egg. This gives a golden color after baking. Right after taking the bun out of the oven, brush it with some butter and let it rest for about 10 minutes covered in a cloth. Hope you enjoyed the video.